Good morning everyone. Today we will continue our topic, that is the central tendency part 2. Among these we already seen the median, upper quartile, lower quartile, and yesterday's lecture we had done the mode also. And the mode we had already seen that individual series, how to find out the mode. Or one more formula, it is the z equal to 3m minus 2x bar. मोड के बहुत सारे वेज होते हैं, जैसे आप लोगों ने 10th में अभी केवल इतना ही सीखा है. बट जब मोड की बात करते हैं, सो मोड में इंडिविजुअल सीरीज में सिंपल वन वे ओनली, मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेंटली जो भी ऑब्जर्वेशन है, दिस इज योर मोड. बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिस्क्रीट सीरीज, नाउ द वन मोर मेथड इंट्रोड्यूस फॉर यू, दैट इज द मेथड ऑफ द मोड बाय ग्रुपिंग मेथड. फाइन, मोड बाय द ग्रुपिंग मेथड. मेथड है ना. अब हमको यहाँ ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं. सो फॉर दैट वी जस्ट फॉलो सम रूल्स. फाइन, वी जस्ट फॉलो द सम रूल्स बिकॉज वी हैव टू मेक द 6 कॉलम्स ऑफ ईच क्वेश्चन. जब हमको क्वेश्चन मिलता है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिस्क्रीट सीरीज एज वेल एज द विच सीरीज, डिस्क्रीट सीरीज, एंड we are talking about the discrete series and as well as the continuous series. Clear? So now we will start the grouping method. For that purpose we have to make the 6 column. For this 6 column, first column is your frequency column. First column is your frequency column. It means whatever frequency given in the sum or numerical. Second it means the total of the 2 columns. हम लोग क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, उसमें ये चीज क्लियर हो जाएगी. सम ऑफ द 2 कॉलम्स. एंड थर्ड, लीव फर्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड आफ्टर दैट सम ऑफ द 2 कॉलम्स. 2 frequency like this. Then third already done. Now fourth is what happened in the fourth column. In the fourth column, group frequency in the 3 starting from the top, and in the fifth column 3 starting from the second, and the sixth 3 and starting from the third frequency. This is the 6 columns. अब हम लोग एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, उससे हम क्लियर करते हैं हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द मोड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द ग्रुपिंग मेथड. फर्स्ट वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस फॉर द डिस्क्रीट सीरीज. फॉर द डिस्क्रीट सीरीज, इफ द एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन टू यू, which is 100, 110. Listen students, when you are doing this sum, please leave one line. Clear ना? एक लाइन छोड़ के ही आपको ये क्वेश्चन करना है. उसका रीजन क्या है वहाँ समझ में आ जाएगा. Then 110, then 120, then 130, then 140, and then 150. These pages, it means your observation is given. Now first column, number of person, it means your frequency. It is called the first column. है ना? अभी बोला था मैंने, it is called the first column. Like this. Clear? So frequency is given 2, 4, 8, 10, 5, 4. Now second column. Second column, it means what happened in the second column, group frequencies against the way, group frequency in the 2 starting from the top. मतलब टॉप से स्टार्ट करना है और 2 का टोटल लगाना है. So 2 plus 4 it means 6. In between लिखना है because इन 2 का टोटल है, तो आपको पता चलेगा यहाँ लिखा है. And 4 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now that is done. Now 8 plus 10, 18. Then 5 plus 4, 9. Like this. Clear? अब हर इंडिविजुअल में हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी को राउंड ऑफ करते जाना है. So in this frequency 10 is the highest. In this frequency 18 is the highest. Clear? Now in the third column, group frequency in 2 starting from the second frequency. Chalo, now we have to make the third column. So this is our third column. Clear? In the third column, starting from the second column. Second से start करना है, 2 2 के group बना रहे. So 8 plus 4, it should be the 12. इन दोनों का total लगाएंगे तो यहाँ भी जोड़ेंगे. Then 10 plus 5, it should be the 15. दिस इज द इंडिविजुअल. तो हम इंडिविजुअल को स्किप करेंगे. क्यों स्किप करेंगे? क्योंकि इंडिविजुअल की वजह से हमारा यहाँ कुछ भी डेटा नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ दो दो का टोटल मल्टीपल है. एंड इन दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी 2 फ्रीक्वेंसी इज नॉट गिवन. मिसिंग इज 1, सो लीव इट. हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी 15. क्लियर? नाउ इन द फोर्थ कॉलम, व्हाट हैपेंड इन द फोर्थ कॉलम? इन द फोर्थ कॉलम, ग्रुप फ्रीक्वेंसी इन 3 स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द टॉप. है ना? So group frequency in 3. So this is the fourth one. Group frequency in the 3. So 1 2 3. So 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 2 14. So in between लिखना है. तो इन तीनों का मिडल कौन सा हुआ? ये. So यहाँ लिखेंगे हम लोग 14. Clear? Now 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 4 19. कहाँ लिखेंगे? 1 2 3. तो मिडल में लिखेंगे 19. Which is the highest frequency? 19. Clear? Now for the fifth column. For the fifth column, what happened? Group frequency in 3s starting from the second frequency. It means leave the first frequency. So starting from the second frequency, it means this one. 4 plus 8 12. 12 plus 10 22. So write down here 22. मिड में लिखना है. ठीक है? Then again 3 बच रहे हैं, नहीं हो रहे हैं, so leave it. So again here I guess 22 only. Now sixth column. For the sixth column, group frequency in 3 starting from the third frequency. अभी हमने क्या किया था? यहाँ 3 starting from the top. 3 starting from the second. Now the 3 starting from the third. Third it means 8. So 8 plus 10 18. 18 plus 5 23. So you have to write down 23 here. So this one is right. उसके बाद कोई 3 frequency बचती नहीं है. Clear students? So this is the part of your. It is called the distribution column or we can say grouping table. इसका heading आपको देना है grouping table. So this is your table like this. Fine. This is the grouping table. In this column you just mark the which one is highest, which one is highest, which one is highest, which one is highest and which one is highest. Now analysis of this table. How do we analysis of this table? So you just write down analysis table here. Analysis table. For that purpose, listen carefully. यहाँ थोड़ा सा सिस्टम हम चेंज कर देंगे. For that analysis table, whatever row is here, यहाँ जो रो में है हम कॉलम में कर देंगे और जो कॉलम में हम रो में कर देंगे. It means here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Column numbers हम लिख देंगे. Clear? Now the row. Now here column numbers. Now rows 100, 110, 120, 130, 140 and 150. क्लियर? ठीक है ना? रोज को कॉलम में लिख दिया, कॉलम को रोज में लिख दिया. Now just analysis of your grouping table. What? just analysis of your grouping table. This is for discrete series. This is not a continuous series. This is a discrete series. So you just analysis of your table. First, which one is the highest in the first group? 10, and 10 observation is 130. You put the tick mark in that column. 10 and 130. So first 130 के column में tick करना. That's it. Now in the second row 18. But what is the 18? So you just keep in your mind. This is the total of these two. Fine. This is the total of these two. 8 plus 10, 18. It means which observation you have to write? 120 and 130. So in the second column 120 and 130 we have to put the tick mark. Now the third row, which one is the highest frequency? 15. So 15 is the total of 10 plus 5. It means the 130 and 140 is your observation. So put the tick mark in the 130 and 140. Now in the fourth column, which is the highest frequency? 19. And see that 10 plus 5 plus 9. आपको पता चलेगा दिस इज द सेंटर पॉइंट. आपने जहां भी लिखा है यू जस्ट गेट द आइडिया कि ये टोटल किसका है. 10 plus 5 plus 9. It means observation 130, 140, 150. So in the fourth column 130, 140 and 150. Now it is the 22 and 22 is the total of these three. Yes. So 110, 120 and 130. 110, 120 and 130. Now the fifth column. In the sixth column 23. See here 23 it is the 10, 1, 2 and 3. So 120, 130 and 140. 130, 1. This is the 120, 130 and 140. क्लियर? अब पता चला एक लाइन ड्यू करके लिखने को क्यों बोला था? क्योंकि उससे आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा कि कौन से कॉलम का टोटल हमने किया है. अगर किसी की भी डिजिट के सामने आता है तो याद रखना दिस इज फॉर 3 और 3 और डिजिट के बीच में आता है मतलब 2 का टोटल आपने लगाया है. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, हमने ये एनालिसिस टेबल बना के क्या प्रूव किया? सो यू जस्ट मेक द कॉलम एंड राइट डाउन द टोटल हियर. टोटल हियर 0, here 1 tick only, 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each and every element. Is it? Yes. Here 3 and here 1. So which one is the highest here? This one. Clear? So write down the mode equal to 130. Wages is in rupees only. Clear? This is for the discrete series. Continuous series almost same, but इसके बाद वाली प्रोसेसर थोड़ा सा चेंज हो जाती है. This is for the discrete series when the frequency and observation is given to you. Now listen carefully. Again I am repeating entire thing. Or we can do one more sum so better understand हो जाएगा. So write down one more sum for this purpose only from discrete series only. Calculate the mode with the help of the grouping method. Calculate the mode with the help of the grouping method. Here only observation or x is given to you. 6 columns. याद है? In the first column frequency, in the second column total of 2, in the third column skip first starting from second total of 2, in the fourth column total of 3, in the fifth column skip first starting from second total of 3, in the sixth column starting from second total of 3. मतलब आगे first individual, then 2 columns 2 total and then 3 columns 3 total. So your data is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8. Here we have to skip one line here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Clear? This is your grouping chapter. Now what is the frequency is given? So frequency is 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 8, 7, 5, 6, 8, 7. This is the 11 beta. 9, 8, 9, 6. 9, 8, 9, 6. Clear? Now what is the first step? सबसे पहले क्या करना है? From the frequency, just what happened? Just round off the highest frequency. So which one is the highest? 9 and this 9, because 9 is the 2 times. You just round off the 2 times. Clear? Now what is the second? Total of the 2. So 5 plus 6, 11. 8 plus 7, 15. Then 9 plus 8, 17. And here 9 plus 6, 15. Clear? Which one is the highest? 17 is the highest. Clear? Now next. Total of 2 but skip first. Total of 2 but skip first. It means starting from the second frequency. So skip first, then starting 6 plus 8. What is the 6 plus 8? 14. 7 plus 9, 16. 8 plus 9, 17. Clear? Now this is the single one. Skip it. Which one is the highest? 17. Now in the third column, fourth column. In the fourth column, total of 3. It means 5 plus 6 plus 8. It means 11 plus 8. It means 19. Then 7 plus 9 plus 8. So 8. 24. So write down here 24 in the middle of this. ये 2 3 है तो यहाँ आपको लिखना है. Here only 2 is there, so skip it. So 24 is your highest frequency. Clear? Now in the fifth column what happened? Fifth column में हमको क्या करना है? Skip first and starting from the second. Skip first and starting from the second and 3 frequency. 6 plus 8 plus 7. 6 plus 8 plus 7, it means 21. So you have to write down the middle of the this. It means 8 में लिखना है आपको. Then 9 plus 8 plus 9, 26. So you have to write down 26 here. So which one is highest? 26. Now in the last column, skip first 2 starting from 3 and total of the 3. So skip 2 starting from 8. Fine. So 8 plus 7 plus 9. What is the total? 24. So you have to write down 24 here. Now 8 plus 9 plus 6. It means 23. So you have to write down 23 here. And this is the highest one. Clear? Now make the column of this. This is, write down the heading analysis tab. In the first group, you just write down the frequency. In the second column, total of the 2 frequency. In the third column, skip first starting from second and total of the 2. And in the fourth column, 3 total of the 3 frequency. And the fifth column, skip first starting from second, total of the 3 frequency. In the sixth column, starting from third, skip 2 and total of the 3 frequency. Clear? Now here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now make the column analysis table. 14 both. So write down in the first column 12 and 14 both. Okay. Now in the second, which one is highest? 17. So 17 is the total of 12 and 13. So write down here 12 and 13. Clear? Now second column done. Now the third column 17. 17 is a total of 13 and 14. So 13 and 14 group में आपको टिक करना है. Now 24. So 24 is the total of 11, 12 and 13. So 11, 12 and 13. Clear? Now 26. It is a total of 12, 13 and 14. So 12, 13 and 14. Now 24. Sorry, it's maybe the mistake. 9, 12 and 14. And second column 17. It is the 12 and 13. It is correct. And 17 again. So 13 and 14. 13 and 14. It is also correct. In the fourth column 24, 7, 8, 9. It means 11, 12, 13. बराबर है. Then the fifth column 26. Okay, it is good. And 24, it means the total of 10, 11 and 12. 10, 11 and 12. Now the write down the total 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 3 and 0. So what happened? Here what is the highest frequency? 5. So your Z equal to 12. Here unit is not given, so you just write down your Z equal to 12 because of the size of 12 occurring the most frequently. आप लिख सकते हो what is your answer? Because of the size of the 12 is the more frequently used in this example. Clear? So this is all about the grouping method with the help of the discrete series. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.